Hey everybody, this is TechDadHD. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this page, definitely subscribe to this page. I hope I am able to help you guys out today to understand how to connect a trackpad mouse to your iPad using iPad OS today, and some of the gestures that go along with it. So this video is going to show you how to do that and what gestures that you can use. And definitely, like I said, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, definitely do so and share this with your friends if this had any kind of value for you or helped you out anyway. So here we go. So what I'm using for this is my trackpad for my Mac computer. It's not the new generation trackpad, it's the gray one. So I don't get all the gestures that you would with the trackpad that they have out today, or even the mouse. It still lacks some of the gestures from what I can see. If I'm wrong, I don't really know how to do it on my old trackpad. So what we need to do first is get these things connected. So if you did get a new iPad and you didn't get that foldable awesome magic trackpad case portfolio, whatever they want to call it, if you didn't get one of those and you just want to use a mouse or a trackpad that you already have, let's get this thing set up for you so that way you can use it and experience this iPad OS as a computer now. So let's go to your settings on your iPad, go to your Bluetooth, and make sure Bluetooth is on, and make sure that your trackpad or your mouse, whatever you're trying to hook up, is also on. And it's going to pop up under Bluetooth, so you'll see it'll say trackpad, mouse, whatever you're trying to connect. So hit that and it's going to say connecting, and then all of a sudden it'll say connected. So it's real simple to connect any kind of Bluetooth capability type thing to your iPad. So once that's done, we're going to go over some gestures that might help you out to move around on your iPad a little better. So if you want to see your home bar apps on the bottom of your screen, kind of like your MacBook Pros, whatever, all you really need to do is go down with your mouse or your trackpad all the way down to the bottom of the screen, and the home apps will pop up. And then you could select whatever one that you want to do to open up your next app. If you want to see your control center, all you need to do is go to the top right of the screen where you normally would with your finger, and it'll highlight that area, and just click on it and drag it down, and your control center will pop up. For notifications, it's the same as your control center, but you're going to be going to the top center of the screen and click on it and drag down to get your notifications. But if you do have the new trackpad, you're going to be accessing your apps in slide over. So this view is done by dragging the mouse cursor to the right of the screen, then continue to drag it. Your slide over apps will then show up. And again, this is using the new trackpad 2. If you don't have the new trackpad 2, these gestures won't work if you have the original trackpad. So the trackpad 2 unlocks all gestures that we're talking about today. Scrolling up and scrolling down with 2 fingers, just like you would on a trackpad connected to a Mac. It's the same thing. If you want to return to the home screen, swipe up on the trackpad with 3 fingers. Alright, we're going to view the app switcher. So with 3 fingers, swipe up, but pausing halfway, the app switcher screen will pop up. If you want to force close any apps from the app switcher, move the cursor to the app and swipe up with 2 fingers. If you want to switch between home screens, swipe to the left with 2 fingers. And again, these are for trackpad 2 gestures. If you have just a mouse or a trackpad, you will not be able to do most of these gestures with the new iPad, unless you got the new Magic Keyboard. If you got the new Magic Keyboard, you'll definitely be able to do all these gestures. And like I said, I don't have the new trackpad or the keyboard yet, so I'm using just a typical trackpad, which I am limited to what I can do. But this is a list of the things that you can do if you have the new trackpad 2s or the new Magic Folio iPad cases. So I hope this helped you guys out to understand what this does for your iPad and how exciting it is to actually be able to use it as a almost laptop and touchscreen at the same time. It opens up a lot of doors for a lot of things to come in the future, and I hope you guys get excited of this too as much as I am. I want to thank you guys for watching this episode of TechDadHD, and I hope to see you guys later. Peace.